Hi guys, today I want to show you how I'm getting ready for Garba tonight. And for my non-Indian viewers, Garba is a special type of dance which originated from the state of Gujarat in India. And today I'll be showing you two different looks for my two different Garba nights. So the first one is a sea green lehenga and the second one is a light pink lehenga. And I chose these lehengas because they are lightweight. People dance with no shoes, so you don't want the length to be long because you won't be wearing any heels. So just take that into consideration when you choose your outfit. And jewelry should not be very heavy that it interferes with any type of movement or hurts your ears. So I'll start with my makeup. And here I have cleaned my face and I used CeraVe face wash. After I pat dried it, then I will apply moisturizer, and this is again from CeraVe. I like this brand because it has 3 essentials ceramides. It's very important to moisturize your skin before you do any makeup. If you plan to wear a foundation, then you can also apply primer before that. But I don't plan to wear any foundation, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of concealer and color corrector. So this is the Nars color corrector that I will be using. And this is in medium to light undertone, and it is good for my skin tone and for most Indian skin tone. I have a medium to light skin tone. And so this product is amazing and I absolutely love it. It has this orange color, but when you apply to your under eyes, it blends so well and it removes any type of grayness under it. Kind of conceals it very well. I don't even use any concealer on top of it because I'm over 40 years old and I have fine lines now. So if I apply more products, it tends to crease under my eyes and it exaggerates those fine lines. So I try to keep it minimal. Okay, now I will be also spot correcting a few of my blemishes on my chin and on my cheeks. So this is the Nars concealer I'll be using for that. Just to spot correct as I'm not wearing any foundation. By gently tapping it with my ring finger. Now for the eyes, I will be applying a little bit of shimmer on my eyelids. So this is my eyeshadow palette and this is one of my favorite shimmers. So I just apply it on my lid. This is a brow pencil. So if you have to kind of like shape your brows, you have any sparse spots, this is a good product to give it a nice shape. So I use it where I have less hair to kind of like define it. And this is the lipstick I'll be using. It's one of my favorite red colors. And this is from Sephora. And I love the color. You can also line your lips if you want to, but I'm just going to directly apply it. One of the tips is to apply a little bit of like concealer on your lips or powder to set it. Since I won't be really eating anything, so I don't care about it. I will just put a little bit of blush on my cheeks and bronzer on the sides of my cheeks. And I'll also apply a little bit of highlighter on my nose, my forehead, on my chin. While doing the makeup, I realized that the lighting I have is too harsh and it's making my face look very greasy. So my daughter is here now and she turned the flashlight off and did a little bit of touch up on my face to make it look more even toned. And she's also helping me with these magnetic eyelashes. So this is the magnetic eyeliner which goes on the eyelids right here above your eyelashes. And while it's still wet, you have to quickly put the lashes so that it sticks. It's good if you want to wear it for a couple of hours. I have not tried wearing it all day. And make sure when you apply the liner, it's thick enough so that the magnet has something to stick to. And after I wear my outfit, I'll show you the jewelry and the complete look. So this is my lehenga. It's this beautiful sea green color with off-white blouse, and it has the work at the back on the sleeves and along the neckline. And this is from my own store. And this comes with this pretty light weight net dupatta with just a slight gold sequence border. And I'm wearing this necklace which is not traditionally a Garba jewelry, but I like it because it matches with my lehenga. And these are the earrings that go with it. And now I am just keeping it minimal and one bracelet on this hand. And here I have this watch. Okay, this is my second night Garba look, and here I'm wearing this pink lehenga. And since the blouse is very basic, plain, I decided to go a little bit heavy on the jewelry. So I have these beautiful pink and gold with crystal earrings and a necklace choker set. And I'm also wearing some matching bangles. And on this night, I decided to put my hair in a bun. And I don't have very thick hair anymore, so I ended up using a hair piece to kind of elevate my bun a little bit. So this is the second night look. I did not show you the entire makeup process, but it was pretty much similar to what we did for the first night. So let me know in the comments which look did you guys like more, and I will see you in my next one. Happy Navratri.